morning and happy Tuesday, friends. First order of business, gotta get a haircut. Let's do this. Haircut's all good. Gosh, the hub does a good fade. Alright guys, back in the office today. Again, busy one, trying to get a bunch of editing done before we leave on Thursday. First thing I'm gonna do is dive into this edit. One thing I want to touch on more for you video editors is like the value and importance of music and sound design in the videos that you make, because a lot of times we put so much work into capturing the footage and making it look cool and making a fun edit, and the music kind of gets just kind of thrown in there at the end, something that sounds fun. And really, audio and music is like half of what makes your video fun to watch, engaging, and a good story. So the music really needs to drive your video. The sound design really needs to drive your video. So a lot of times I'll spend a long time on soundstripe.com, which is where I use for most of my music, trying to find the right music for my different projects. Right now I'm trying to hammer out some weddings and a few other things before we leave, and so first thing I gotta do is find some music for the next couple of videos that I'm working on. So we're gonna be kind of hunting for the next little bit. So let's do that now. If you can't tell, there's a very certain vibe and certain kind of trajectory that I'm looking for this wedding film. So I'm kind of skipping from the intro to the chorus to the bridge and just kind of seeing what each layer does, because I kind of know what I'm looking for. Ooh, your boy just smashed a full day of editing. It's time to get out of here and go see the kids and have some fun. Let's go. One of the pros to staying late at work downtown is the downtown Roseburg when the sun's getting low is just really rad. Check it out. I'm on my way to pick up Kingston and Roman, and I'm going to take them to the Music in the Half Shell, which is the thing here in Roseburg where there's usually some fun tunes and lots of people come out, there's food and stuff, so we're heading there now. So I gotta stop by real quick. I had to switch these cars, but I'm gonna go in real fast and say hi to Beth because she's getting a mani-pedi with her friend Leah. I just want to pop in and say hi. She hates being on the vlog, but I'm gonna say hi anyway.
No, don't film us while we're getting our nails done.
Alright, love you. Have fun with the mani-pedi.
Okay, love you.
Into the night, so they can save the day and show you the way. Come on, PJ Masks to the PJ Masks, PJ Masks to the PJ Masks. Time for crime.
I can't think of a line.
PJ Masks to the PJ Masks.
PJ Masks.
Nice. Yay! Hi. Hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
What are we doing?
We're going to sing some music.
Yeah.
Sister Malia, take over.
Come on.
Baby Archie. Don't know if I got him in there. I am not a videographer. We're here at Daca Braca. Okay, this is not for me. Goodbye.
Can I have my vlog back, please? Give me that. Hey, so you remember Yaku from that video I made about, I don't know, a few days ago for the bike thing? The bike kind of give back that he does? He's here.
An excavator.
It's a what?
An excavator.
An excavator? How do you know what an excavator is?
See?
Stop growing up, you're too smart. Just got home, we're wrapping the day, but I had to show you guys the sky.